Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find ad settings on your account center on your account on Messenger, easy and quick. First click on these three lines, now click settings, and now click personal details, now click add preferences, and here as you see you will find ad settings. Here you can manage it as you want. That's it. That's how to find ad settings on your account on Messenger, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.